Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll explain how to withdraw Roblox earnings to a bank account. First, there's an important distinction. Regular Robux aren't simply withdrawable to a bank account whenever you want. Roblox has an official developer exchange program, commonly known as DevEx, for eligible creators who have earned Robux through qualifying activities. And if you're eligible, open the official Roblox creator or DevEx resources and review the current requirements. You'll need to meet Roblox's eligibility requirements before you can exchange qualifying earned Robux for a real-world currency. Then follow the official application and payment instructions provided by Roblox. Then don't use websites claiming they can instantly convert regular Robux into cash, as these may be scams. So you can't simply withdraw ordinary Robux directly to your bank account, but eligible creators can use Roblox's official DevEx system. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.